Good afternoon, dear.
Good
Hello.
af- hello. Good afternoon, dear. How are you?
I'm fine. I'm fine. And what about you?
Yeah, I am also pretty good after talking to you.
Thank you. Okay, dear. It's the first time we are meeting in. You are meeting with me on like a YouTube video. So it's very important to you will be just introduce about yourself, so my viewers know about you.
Yes, dear. First, I would like to thank to you for having me here, dears, because and I would like to thankful to your viewers also who are watching us there, and we are
Mm-hmm.
all learner, dears. So don't worry about our if I do any mistakes. So please forgive me that things. So yeah, if okay, if I you want to introduce myself, okay, let me introduce myself. Yeah, I am Vindhya Chalotra and I am resident of Jammu Kashmir. I grew up here and I am happily married with my soldier better half. And
Okay.
I completed my post graduation in my native language Dogri in Jammu University. So
Okay.
and if I talk, and nowadays I am working upon my communication parts. I virtually desire, I want to enhance my vocab and renovate my fluency also. So
Mm-hmm.
if I talk about my habits and hobbies, so I like listening old Hindi song because old Hindi songs is very peace and calm. So whenever I listen, I feel better. So that's why I always prefer listen old Hindi songs. And I am very eager to meet with new people, knows their culture, knowing their tradition, rituals, customs, everything. So that
Okay.
is all about me. Yeah, dear. Okay.
Okay.
Would you like to tell
Yes.
yours a little bit?
You know myself very well because I'm living in Mumbai and very so many month I can say I'm using the YouTube and I'm doing the
Yes.
video on YouTube and I'm doing just a normal job and just I also improving my English also. So in this way I'm just meeting with different kind of persons to improve my communication skill and English also. So this is also the one kind of meeting we both are meeting and we are practicing our English and we improve ourselves. So this is the all about myself and why I'm meeting you because I saw your YouTube channel and when I saw your YouTube channel, it's looked like a very good and I can say very awesome video whatever you are making because I'm the learner kind of things person and when I saw your video now like whatever kind of video you also are like a learner but the way you are making the video it's not look like a learner you are like a look like a very professional kind of video so that's why I was thinking to talk with you and make a conversation with you. This is the my intention to talking with you now, so and I'm very happy to you are joining me in these conversations. So tell me something how you this thought is coming you have to like create your YouTube channel and like being the housewife and the YouTube if there any kind of difficulty you find.
Okay. To be honest, dear, if I would like to tell you, when I decided to learn English, so that things is very difficult for me, and I discussed these things with my husband, and yeah, she was agree with my decision, and but I didn't get that type of sport like this. So I thought, okay, I should create YouTube channel, and that's why I create YouTube channel. And I thought, like, if I create YouTube channel, so as well, meanwhile, I can learn also that things. And if you make video on any word, that time you didn't, you have not forget that words. So that's why I make YouTube channel there. And if I talk about about my related to my videos, so that video, we are all are learners, and when we want to search any video, there is a lot of video and good kind of videos we always got. But like, so I thought, okay, should I create different? So that's why I make this type of video. So that's it, yeah. And I
Yes,
saw
yes.
I saw your videos also, and I saw your all videos. Your video are all good, dear. And when I saw your way of speaking, and you never ever like stuck while speaking, and you never feel like about your fluency, about your vocab. You continuously speak. And what I one day I discussed with my one of the friend, and she was telling me like, dear, in Sonam dictionary, no, is a stuck is not stuck word is not there. So yeah, dear. And nowadays I seen like, you didn't upload video daily in a daily way.
Yes, but yeah, because I was little bit busy, so that's why I was not uploading. But now I will be start upload my video. At least in 1 week, 1 or 2 video I will be uploaded. Yeah, because of that time, the pandemic is going on, so we have a lots of time, and now the everything open in Mumbai also, like everything is open. So
Yes.
we have to do like everyday office and all that thing. So it will be a little bit difficult to make a video every day. But yeah, again I will be start that things, and let's see what happen, what will
Yes.
be happen in future. Yes.
When I
So
saw your first video, I was really impressed by you, dear, because I saw there you have a lot of confidence while speaking. These things not everyone, dear. So you have a good quality. Yeah. Okay.
yeah, but sometime because this is not, I can say, the compliment I got in your side. Lots of people are saying in your first video you show lots of confidence. I have a lots of confidence, but still I was thinking I am not improving myself as in English, because sometime I was stuck some kind of thing in terms of, you can say, the sentence formation, vocabulary, all that thing. But whenever I was thinking to speak English, that time I forget. I never ever stop. I was only thinking, I never ever stop myself. I just continuously speaking anybody, and in front of person who is talking with me, they should be not going to bore with me. They are just
Yes.
also conversation with me. So I just focus on that things. But yeah, sometimes it's required, you have to, if you want to practice something, so you should have to some kind of improvement in your conversation, and the communication skill is required.
Yes.
So
Yes.
now what I just little bit practice upon that things. I have to improve, because after so many, I can say the 6 to 7 months is now completed. I was practicing English. I'm practicing now also, but still I was thinking I was not improving what I want exactly. So let's see what the in which day it will be improved. But I will be never stop my like practice thing and all that things.
Okay. Okay, dear.
Yeah. So coming to your like a video, like a how you like a feel when you are making the video. What kind of thing you are thinking, like when you're making the video.
Dear, I uploaded that kind of video which I learn every day. Whenever I get new words, whenever I feel okay, I should like share with these things with my friends. So that's why I create that type of video, and I want to share everything which I learn with my friends, because I am
Mm-hmm.
also a learner like you, dear, and it's I am very eager to learn. So that's why.
Mm-hmm.
Yes, dear.
Yeah. And one thing I was experienced with my video also, whenever I make some kind of video, and what kind of word, if you are like making the video, that word you never ever forget after like making the
Yes,
video. Is that
yes,
happen with you?
yes, yes. That's why. That's why I took a decision. I should create YouTube channel. And we are always things. English is not a rocket science, but it's nothing like that because it's not a cup of tea for me. So like
Yes.
yeah. So when it's a yeah, we are always says to anyone, English it's a not rocket science. It's just a language. Take it
Mhm.
just a language. But it's when we start learning, it's totally different. So it's a not
Yes,
a
yes.
it's totally a different ball game, I think.
Okay, so like what kind of like a thing you are using for your improvement? Did you watch any kind of reading books or the video? How you improve yourself? Did you do any kind of conversation with anybody, with your friends?
Yes, dear. It will, I think, we can improve our communication skill only by practice. Only by
Hmm.
practice. And yeah, I have a one or two friends with whom I can, though both are my daily companion, with whom I
Hmm.
can talk easily and every day. So I think
Hmm.
uh, that is the way like I can improve I am
Yeah.
improving my English gradually. Yeah.
Yes, yes, yes. Yeah, because see, I was also thinking the same. If you're doing the conversation, so your mind also working, and whatever you learn, any kind of thing, so it will be get a chance for you. So you can
Yes.
use that kind of word and all that thing because we are reading. Yes, tell me.
And while speaking now, we find that we find like that type of words like we don't know we
Mm-hmm.
don't that word in English, in Hindi. So while
Mm-hmm.
speaking, if we don't know that word, so while speaking we can search, we can discuss. So I think
Yes.
so communication is a good thing.
Yes, yes, yes. So that's why it's required because when you watch a lots of thing and read any kind of thing, but the main thing we have to speak because what we want
Yes, yes.
exactly, we can do a no conversation everyone in a very easy manner, not like a very whenever we do the any kind of conversation and the person who is a very good in English that time we are very hesitated what they are think about me and all that thing.
Yes,
So
yes.
so for these things we have to do a conversation and I can say not in a regular basis. You have to talk very stranger kind of person also, so it will be help you a lot, boost your confidence I can say. So so
Yes.
actually I was using a lots of app, not like a YouTube, like my video also, like I'm talking with subscriber. I'm using one kind of app like S Fluency, as you also know that. So this is the that kind of app is also we have to talk with somebody else. So
Yeah.
if you are doing a conversation and connecting with different kind of persons, so you are getting a knowledge also related to English, and your confidence is automatically boost because you have the
Yes.
fear about how I can talk with a stranger person. So
And
this kind of things.
when we talk with stranger person, so that's also good for us because we don't know who they are and with whom I can talk, with whom we are talking. So
Mhm.
that thing is also very good for us. And I
Yes,
think
yes,
Influence is a good app for everyone.
yes,
We should
yes. I
use
can.
that app.
Yeah, I'm using this app I think last 1 month and I got a very good experience in this app.
Yes.
And maybe in future I will resubscribe this app because it's very like a helping for
Yeah.
anybody.
Yes, dear.
Yes.
Okay, dear. I want to ask you one thing. Like,
Mm-hmm.
if you want to suggest for your viewers, like uh, for learn English. So which things you want to suggest first?
Which thing I actually I all time suggest whenever you are thinking I have to learn the English. So very first you have to start doing any kind of conversation. First you think whatever you are like learning, you have to think and you have to try with your own self. If you are like a feeling too like a nervous and a hesitation, how can I speak with others? So it start with you, start talking with yourself and then after that you have to make any kind of video related with your own self. So if you got this kind of thing then you can do a conversation like where who is your like a near and dearest friend. So in a gradually manner I can say you will be improve your I can say little bit confidence, because the confidence is a main key. You know everything, but you don't have the confidence, so you can't you can't do any kind of thing. Not a talking, I'm saying you can't do any kind of thing. So first of all, you have to boost your confidence. If the confidence is coming, so all the thing is ultimately coming. So my
Yeah.
every time I'm telling, just to confidence yourself, whatever you have a knowledge, you just like a conversation with anybody, you just try to speak that things. Don't be
Yes.
hesitate how the way I pronounce and what the way, like this kind of thing. Don't think. If you're thinking a lot, so it will be not coming in your mouth properly. So this thing I
Yes.
all time suggesting my viewer.
Okay. If I would like to suggest for my from me, so I would like to suggest first vocab. Dear, you know, we
Mhm,
when we start, when we decided, when we feel okay, we should learn English. That time we are like like we knows Hindi, we knows our other mother tongue also,
mhm.
but
Yes,
we don't
yes.
know. But yeah, we read, we learn English. We have a subject English, but it's a
Mhm,
different kind of things. But when you want to speak, and when I was initially time, so that time if I wanted to say like okay, like I give you in sentence in Hindi like जे बंदर उस पे चढ़ रहा है पेट पे चढ़ रहा है like this. So if you don't know word claimed, so how can you express your thought? So first we should, I think first we I can uh, I prefer first we should learn like little bit vocab.
yeah,
Yes,
yeah.
vocab is also important while speaking there. Yeah, I am not saying like we should have a like that much of vocab like native speaker. No, it's not important, but we should have a like a basic vocab.
Yes, whatever the basic, I can say the
Yes,
basic vocab and all that things. I'm
yes,
saying whatever you learn, any kind of thing, you just try to express all that things, so that it will be like your mind is coming all that things very
yes,
quickly. So regular practice and be a consistent. Whatever I'm all time saying, the whatever you're doing now, you have to put your like you have to make yourself. I'm the consistent kind of person. I will be not break my like any kind of thing, whatever I'm doing. So if you're not good, but if you're the consistent now, so that thing it will become very easily, and you are not facing a problem of like a difficult. I'm not getting that kind of thing very easily. So be consistent and all time practice, and one
yes.
day you will be improved. Yeah,
Yeah, practice is
not
more
any kind of.
important. Practice is more important, I think. And but we are always tell like, oh no, no, these things is important while speaking, that things is important while speaking. But I think
Mhm,
it's a which way we want to learn, that things is important. Nothing else,
mhm,
but they are suggest us what like a good speaker suggested us. We
mhm,
want to increase our fluency, we want to improve our communication. So at least I can say we have to find that way, which way we can learn.
mhm.
That
Yes.
things is important there, I can say.
Yeah, it's very important. Okay, Anjali, okay, Bindya, it's very nice conversation with you. Like we are talking in the 20 minutes, and it's not look like a 20 minutes, like a 10 minutes we are talking. And it's really very nice conversation with you. And I feel very happy to you are joining me in this like a conversation video. And me and my viewer get a very good kind of thing with you and with myself. And hope so they will be something improve their self also. So yeah,
I am also happy. It's my pleasure, dear. I can connect it with you. Yeah.
yeah, but yeah, for me it's like a very big thing. You are giving me a chance to speak in English with me, so that a very important thing for me.
No, dear. Same here, same here. Thanks for you also.
Okay,
Okay,
dear.
dear.
So we can end this video now, and hope so in future if you feel so we can connect again and we can do more conversation.
Definitely, dear. Definitely.
Okay, dear. Bye bye.
Bye bye.